is going on, guys? Today I'm doing some maintenance on the Pitty, and I actually just landed out. Guys, I want to give a massive shout out to Enduro Noob. You've probably seen him ride around with me in my videos. He's got the, I believe it's a 2012 RMZ 250. Yep, so go subscribe to him. He's got some pretty good content, and tell him I sent you. This is so much more power. It's probably not the best time to do wheelies. I've got no bolts holding down my seat. I'm actually like straight up running no plastics, you know. And with my rear mudguard, I've actually ripped off my seats. My seats are not even connected to the bike anymore. Kind of just hope that it's gonna hold together in here. No, but I'm gonna do a more long-term job on my rear mudguard. I'm gonna make a metal bracket, and I'm gonna pot rivet the two mudguard parts together. I'm probably gonna go put my bike back together, and then I'll see you guys later for some more wheelies. Well, I just filmed about half an hour of video, and it turns out my GoPro it wasn't not recording, but I was just completely turned off, you know. But it's been about an hour since the last clip, and I've put my bike back together, and as you can see, and I've made a bracket for my rear mudguard. So yeah, I hope that holds together, right? Whoa! I almost just ran over a baby bird. Is that a baby bird? I think that's it. Oh, yes, baby bird. If this bloody bike goes out of gear, Jesus. I almost ran it over. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh my god. I probably look like such a retard right now. Should I just put it in the tree? Well, not quite sure what I should do with this bird. Oh, I'm not going to put it in the tree because like it'll be limited to that one. I should probably put it under this tree because this tree's got a bit of shade. It's going home. It's probably going to go home and get rid of it. Oh my god. Look how beastly that bike looks. You're just interrupting nature at its finest. Anyway, I should probably do something with my life other than riding around for hours on end, but anyway guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.